Welcome to Cloud Course Academy. While some people are talking about recessions, layoffs, our students have got great job opportunities from top MNCs. And the difference is the learning path and certified real-time trainers. Normally, when we join a course, our trainers will start teaching us getting into the portal, creating the virtual machines, creating the virtual networks, storage, etc. Let me ask you a few questions. Do you know what is a CPU, socket, clock speed, hyperthreading or VT technology in CPU? No? Then tell me how you can decide which CPU configuration is best suits for your virtual machines in Azure Cloud or AWS or Google Cloud. Do you know what is hard disk? Different types of hard disks like SATA, SAS, SSD, or RAIDs like RAID 0, 1, 5, 6, 1, 0, or different storage technologies like SAN, NAS, iSCSI, FCOE? No? Then tell me which storage technology or which storage option in Azure, AWS, Google Cloud best suits your workloads. And so it goes on into networking, monitoring, access control, databases, into all other areas of the cloud. Join me this 4 weeks instructor-led training program, which is designed to offer you job guarantee. Every session is very well designed. From fundamentals, deep dive theory, scenario-based labs, certification questions to interview questions until you get placed, everything is covered here. For more details, visit our website www.cloudcourse.in or call us on the number on the screen. We'll be more than happy to assist you.